has allowed the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission to adduce new evidence against Sirisia MP John Waluke and his business partner, Grace Wahungu. Blow to MP John Waluke and Grace Wahungu, according to EACC. The new evidence demonstrates that the two used forged documents to defraud the National Cereals and Produce Board. In the civil case pending at the Court of Appeal, NCPB, with the support of EACC, seeks to set aside the 564 million shillings award made to Erad Suppliers Limited. Waluke and Wahungu were convicted and jailed after being found guilty of fraud and illegal acquisition of 297 million shillings through shady deals at the National Cereals and Produce Board.
The judge bench of the Court of Appeal, comprising Lady Justice Hannah Okwengu, John Mativo and Weldon Koril, allowed EACC to adduce new evidence in an appeal filed at the National Cereals and Produce Board in 2012 against Erad Suppliers and General Contractors, whose directors are the Sirisia MP John Waluke and Grace Wahungu. This being the evidence that was used to convict Waluke and Wahungu, but has never been filed in the separate ongoing civil case at the High Court and now at the Court of Appeal. The civil case has been pending in the Court of Appeal since 2012, with NCPB and EACC seeking to set aside the arbitral award of Kenya shillings 564 million made to Erad Supplies Limited, and subsequently confirmed by the High Court, requiring NCPB to pay fraudulent claims made by the Erad Supplies. In seeking to adduce new evidence, EACC told the Court of Appeal that the evidence was not available when the High Court considered the matter and upheld the Kenya shillings 564 million award in favor of Erad Supplies Limited and its directors Waluke and Wahungu, to the detriment of taxpayers. The upshot of the Court of Appeal's ruling is that the court has admitted evidence that EACC obtained from South Africa, which has primarily relied on by the trial court, demonstrating that Erad Supplies Limited and its director Sirisia MP John Waluke and Grace Wahungu forged documents to prove that they stored maize in a South African warehouse as part of a well-orchestrated scheme to justify the fraudulent claim at the NCPB. Frederick Mitiriri, NTV.